Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to unfriend people fast in Roblox. So let's get started. So what you have to do is just simply open up your Roblox application. So if you have not installed it, just simply install it in your device. So after opening up your Roblox, now what you have to do is if you want to unfriend a friend, what you have to do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the left side of your screen and then tap on friends. After tapping on friends, now you'll find the following friends that are in your account. So now if you want to unfriend them, then simply select a friend that you want to unfriend. And then if you want to unfriend it, just simply tap on the three dotted icon and then tap on unfriend. After tapping on unfriend, the following friend will be unfriended. But if this seems a long process to you, then what you can do is you can just simply use a shortcut. So what you have to do is open up your Roblox in a Chrome browser. So just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like. I'm here with my Chrome browser. And after opening up your browser, in search bar you have to search for roblox.com. And after searching for roblox.com, what you have to do is just simply log into your account. And after logging into your account, now what you can do is just simply tap on the three bar icon which is in the top left corner of your screen. And after tapping on that, here you will find this friends option. Just simply tap on friends. And after tapping on friends, now what you have to do is you will have to install an extension. So after installing the extension, you will find this minus icon above your friend and you can just simply tap on that and the friend will be unfriended easily. So by simply tapping on that option, the following friend will be unfriended. So now to download the extension, what you have to do is just simply open up a new tab, and after opening up your new tab, now in search bar you have to search for Chrome Web Store. After searching for that, now what you can do is just simply tap on Chrome Web Store, and after tapping on Chrome Web Store, now you have to search for Roblox friend removal button. So in search bar, simply search for Roblox friend removal button. And after searching for Roblox friend removal button, now what you can do is just simply install this extension and add it to your Chrome. So just simply tap on add to Chrome, and after doing that, the extension will be added to your Chrome. And after adding it, just simply open up your Roblox and just refresh your Roblox. And after refreshing, now you just have to tap on this button and you can just easily unfriend your friends. So that's it guys, this is how to unfriend people fast in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.